Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that how we can color grade an image in Photoshop. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the Photoshop. So I have already installed that. So we have to open that. As you can see, I'm using the 2021 version. So let's click on this. So as you can see now it's done. So what we have to do, we have to click on the open button. So let's click on the open. And after clicking on the open, we have to choose the image. So I have to choose the image. So I'm going to click on this, and now we need to select the image, that which image we want to edit. For example, I want this one. So let's click on this, and now image will be open. So as you can see, the image is open. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the filter, and after clicking on the filter, as you can see, here's the option for the camera raw filter. Shift Control A. We have to click on this. So as you can see, the camera raw filters option is open, and now you have the option for the editing your image. If you want to make color and temperature, you can also do that. Like if you want to increase the temperature, or if you want to decrease it, it's up to you that how you want it. And after that, here's an exposure. If you want to increase it or decrease it, you can also do that. I'm going to increase this or decrease this. It's up to you that what you want. For example, I'm going to increase like this one and make it this. And this way, if you want to decrease this, like this one, and the highlights are there. If you want to increase, you can also do that. Decrease, it's up to you. Like the highlight, if you want to make this, like you can do that. And the whites and all the things are provided here. You just have to adjust them as per your need, and after that you simply had to hit the OK button. As you can see, the image difference, like I'm going to press the Control Z, it was like this, and if you press the Control Shift Z, as you can see. So this is the difference, and in this way you can use the camera raw filter in Photoshop, and if you can change the colors of your photos according to your needs. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can color grade your image in Photoshop. So see you guys in the next video.